Hello everybody, hope you had a good Christmas. I'm recording this basically right after opening my gifts. So no unboxing this time, but I'm still gonna call it an unboxing because, you know, consistency. Anyway, let's take a look at what I got, shall we? Now, first up we have a bit of a smaller kit, but one that I've wanted for a while, and one that I do quite like the look of. The Gyan Revive. Let's take this apart and have a look at what's inside. Not too much dark blue, that's good. And what's here doesn't seem too bad. Also, I just noticed that the feet are actually separated, so they have full detail on the bottom. That's nice. Pretty sure that's supposed to be a thruster, so there's not a lot of detail on it, but oh well. And just a couple joints, nothing too interesting there. Ooh boy. Alright, then you have the two pieces of the shield, the very small amount of stickers that you have. I don't know why this includes two different camera stickers. I guess I'll find out when I actually build it. And that's of course the handle for this, and this is just as bent as when I got it, so that's going to be fun to straighten out. Or actually, maybe the part itself isn't bent and the runner is, but yeah, it's the inside of the shield there. This is in frame, right? Yeah, okay. The underskirt in the back actually has full detail. That's nice. Backpack. The rest of this one here. I think that's supposed to be the eyes. Huh. So I gotta paint that black. That's fine. The eyes do have a massive seam. Oh well. Actually, that's supposed to be a panel line, isn't it? Yeah. Fine then. You get away with it for now, Bandai. And, yeah, this spot here is where that gray sticker goes. That's super easy to paint. I'm just going to paint that. Otherwise, it seems to be pretty much color accurate, so not too big of a deal, yeah. I certainly hope that was all in frame. Anyway, let me get this out of the way, and then we'll take a look at the next one. Alright, next up we have a bit of a bigger one, and the other kit I got for Christmas. The Hi-Zack. And, yeah, it's a little bit of a big box. Let me bring the Gyan back in for scale. This is about the same size as the Revive Gundam's box, and, yeah. It's a little bit taller. So let's get this open and have a look at what's inside. I already know what's inside, I've looked at this before, but the runners, I mean, not, I didn't open my presents early. Yeah, here's the thing about the Hi-Zack. It only actually has like 3 runners because it's completely symmetrical front to back, so they just duplicated everything, so I only have to show one side. Except I can't. Also, yeah, look at the size of these polycaps. I'm pretty sure these are the Re 100 polycaps. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. I haven't looked it up, but I mean, look at them. They must be. So anyway, yeah, all the fingers are articulated, and it has like full color separation. And mostly a full inner frame. And then in these 2 bags, the same, you get the main torso. I think those might be the upper leg. And obviously the foot. Yeah. You know, when I when I recorded my Christmas message, I was expecting this to be my last review of the year, to sort of go in on a big one, but that only leaves me with like, 3 days, and this is a big kit. I mean, it's not super complex, but the overall size is big. I might want to save it and just review something small, honestly, and then start next year with a big kit. No. I'll think of something anyway. Maybe it'll be next week's review, maybe it won't. Either way, let me get it out of the way, and then we'll move on to something else. Because I actually got some more kits, both this month earlier and in November. But it was a bunch of small orders, and I forgot to record the unboxings, so let's just go over them now. And let's go backwards in time, and start with this. Which I've already built. On Christmas Eve, because any of you guys have the tradition of opening a present early? Yeah, well, I opened this early. It's really cute. I'll have a review of it at some point. I don't really need to open it and go over the runners, considering it's already built, but that is one of them. Next up we have another Haro. This is the first time I've just gotten a standard 1.0 Haro on its own. So now I got the complex thing. I will be reviewing this, or at the very least taking a look at it in a video. These things are kind of simple. It'll only be like 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops, so look forward to that. Next up, the Federation Hi-Zack. I've already opened this up and taken a look at the runners, and I've made a horrible mistake. To be fair, the color separation isn't actually that bad. It's just, yeah, it's an old kit, and it's a cheap kit. And it's not like the Hi-Zack, where it's a pretty simple design, you can get away with it. Also, despite having, like, thruster pieces on the side of the leg here, they still decided to put a seam right down the front. So that's fun. And probably most importantly, the head is just split down the middle, like the first grade Zaku, and I have no idea why they did that. It was a mistake, honestly. They should have at least done it like the Zaku 1 Sniper, where at least the nose is a separate piece, but yeah, there's just a seam right down the front of the head. Also, they don't even give you stickers for some of the detailing. Like, this is supposed to be yellow here on the shield, and they don't give you a sticker for it. And I mean, there's a couple of other little things that need to be painted, but surprisingly, aside from that one hose on the upper thigh, all the other ones are actually color separated, like actual pieces. Which I really didn't expect, but I can't complain. Can't complain about how much painting we're gonna have to do on this thing, but well, we'll get to that when we get to it. Anyway, let's get this out of the way. Next up we have a kit that I'm very excited to build. The high-grade Legao from Seed. Mostly because it's a non-standard mobile suit, being, quadrupedal. And I have already taken a look at this. So, you get instructions. These are for the lower limb, because it's duplicated. Get some unique beam sabers. Some pretty good part separation, all things considered. Really, my only complaint is that they didn't make the tip of the wing here part of this piece, which they probably could have actually fit it if they moved these down a little bit. And that would have meant that it would have had pretty much full color separation aside from just the bit of orange here on the antenna. But honestly, that's not really a big deal. Anyway, since that was all sort of parted out from multiple orders, I'm not going to do a full collection of all the kits I looked at. So have this Eevee. Anyway, that's all for this haul video. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Subscribe for future reviews and watch my backlog. Go follow me on Twitter for updates, and consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you reviews, just like this one. And as always, until next time, happy building.